First of all, thank you, the organizer, especially Salman Maniar. He always invited me, and it's an honor to be here. It's an honor to be presenting in front of a mentor and academician, Madam Amreen Afzal. Her contribution is so vast. I was sitting with Salman Maniar sir, and she is still here and listening to the lectures of her students as well. So I am her student. So it's always an honor to be presenting in front of her. डॉक्टर जुनेद भाई कहता हूँ मैं हमेशा, क्योंकि सर ने मुझे पढ़ाया है, और अगेन इट्स ऑनर टू बी प्रेजेंटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दीज मेंटोर्स. ओके, सो आई विल बी वेरी ब्रीफ, and my presentation will be related to the practicing endodontics which we do on daily basis. जब हम practice करने आते हैं, what usually happen is that we have been taught by our seniors and clinics, ये करो, ये ना करो, and we blindly trust them and follow their instruction. The problem is that we never open the books or articles after our graduation or even post-graduation. Remember one thing, the most important thing in practicing any dentistry field, orthodontics or prosthodontics or endodontics, is continuing education. If you're not doing continuing education, you are not providing good services to the patients. So my presentation will be very simple, and it's for general practitioner. It's not for specialists. We'll be discussing very basic points which will help you in your practicing endodontics. Remember, what I believe the most difficult thing in dentistry is endodontics. Although I am doing endodontics for last 20 years, but I still believe it's the most difficult thing in dentistry, and the most difficult thing is the canal location. Okay? अगर आपको लगता है कि if you're practicing for last 30 years और आपको problem नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं है. It's always difficult. You have to start your case from ABC as a new case. Okay, so there will be a quiz for the audience. I'll be showing you some photographs. One will be fake and one will be real. So you have to make up your mind which is the real one and which is the fake one. Okay, so just make up your mind. कौन सा real है, कौन सा fake है. So is it difficult to identify? Okay, so we'll be discussing different endodontics concepts which has been practiced, और आप लोग भी practice करते होंगे. Your teacher has been teaching you these concepts, but these concepts may be around 18 concepts, but these are not actually real concepts. They are outdated. They have no scientific backgrounds. But because our senior taught us कि भाई ऐसे ही करना है, तो आप भी ऐसे ही करें. Why? Because we are not opening our books. We are not reading articles. We are not following continuing dental education. These seminars and workshops are basically for these continuing education program. So what do you think about that? क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? If this is a master GP, what is it, short or long? Okay, but when you take out this tooth, you will find, see, short lag raha hai, but when you take out this tooth, and you will find that your root tip is there, your major foramen is there, your apical constriction or apical foramen is there, minor foramen is there. So you're supposed to obturate the tooth somewhere here. So it's not short. So if you don't verify your working length with your apex locator, then it's really difficult to identify the exact apical constriction or minor malformation. So what's the conclusion? You will find these general practitioners कहते हैं हमारे हाथों के अंदर एक्सरे है, हमारे हाथों के अंदर एपेक्स लोकेटर है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आपने फॉलो करना है जो कि गाइडलाइन है. सो ऑलवेज टेक रेडियोग्राफ, ऑलवेज वेरीफाई योर रेडियोग्राफ विद एपेक्स लोकेटर. इफ यू यूज एपेक्स लोकेटर ब्लाइंडली, डोंट ट्रस्ट योर एपेक्स लोकेटर ऑल्सो, डोंट ट्रस्ट योर रेडियोग्राफ. दोनों साथ चलेंगे. ओके ये कोई रेडियोग्राफ नहीं होते. टैक्टाइल सेंसेशन से पता चल गया हमें, तो फिर वो गोरा पागल था जिसने ये बनाई इतनी सारी मशीनें. ठीक है. सो ऑलवेज वेरीफाई. So another concept, particularly the students and house officers and trainees, they always the concepts of opening the chamber. Here patient को पेन है, chamber open कर दो. Only chamber opening with dental burrs usually promote thermal injury to the already inflamed dental pulp, which result in severe post-operative pain. Sometimes आपके पास patient आता है, कह रहे डॉक्टर साहब आपने रूट कैनाल स्टार्ट किया, पेन बढ़ गया है. होता है Why? Because if you have this injury here and you put some fire over there, what will happen? Patient का पेन बढ़ेगा नहीं बढ़ेगा? So if you have this pulp here and these dental burrs, what will do? They will shatter the pulp. They will cause burn injury to dental pulp. And if you are not able to remove the dental pulp, कहते हैं ना चैम्बर खोल के छोड़ दो, so what will happen? The post-operative pain might be shoot up. Okay? Because the inflammation extent we cannot predict that where the inflammation extension is there. So it's better to remove the whole pulp. Do the complete pulpectomy to have a predictable result in case of irreversible pulpitis. Got my point? Okay. Remove the whole pulp till the cementolegian junction or at least narrowest part of the root canal system. Largest, जैसे upper palatal में आप पूरा pulp निकाल दें. It's better to take out the pulp completely. Okay. Another concept is the initial filing concept. एक आवाज़ आती है यार ज़रा सी filing करके छोड़ देना. There is no concept of ज़रा सी filing. You have to do complete filing, at least 15 number file. 15 number file to remove the dental pulp. Use copious irrigation to remove the dental pulp. The pulp initially was infected, otherwise it will be traumatized with your dental files. See again the same photographs with this. So if you put these swords here, क्या होगा? पेन बढ़ेगा. So these files will be acting as a swords. And if you are not able to remove the pulp, the post-operative pain might be shoot up. So there is no initial filing. You have to do complete pulpectomy. Pulp पूरा निकालना है. Use copious irrigation with sodium hypochlorite. That's the best part. Otherwise वो कहते हैं कि या छेड़ो नहीं या छोड़ो नहीं. Otherwise this is happening. Why our endodontics is unpredictable? Because we never respond to these concepts. It is all written in the text. Another concept, medication soaked like cresofene, formocrosol, pulparal, and in cotton. Most of the studies did not show any enhanced antibacterial or analgesic effects of these. They are as effective as sterile cotton. Either remove the pulp, completely pulp, just like the previous slides. Okay? So they don't have much roles. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't do. Okay? I don't use it. Scientifically, जो products बना रहे हैं, they want to sell it, but it's not very effective. Another concept, usually you find these kids, 6, 7, 8-year-old kids, they never sit on, you can say, chair पे कभी नहीं बैठते, they always roam around. So what will happen is that you find these patients, 7 or 8-year-old kid with trauma. One second. Tender tooth just after observation. You will find these patients. आपने observation किया, अगले दिन patient आके डॉक्टर साहब swelling हो गई. होता है? It happened. So initially the patient was suffering from infected apical periodontitis. Okay, when you put these different sodium hypochlorite, different chemicals inside the root canal system, they go outside the canals and cause chemical periodontitis. Okay, and if you don't do out of occlusion, they contribute to traumatic periodontitis. The patient was initially suffering from pain, and even during root canal treatment and after root canal treatment, they are still suffering from the pain, but the reasons are different. Okay, we have infected periodontitis initially, then we have chemical, and we have traumatic. जब भी आप पेशेंट का काम करेंगे वो चबा के जाके जरूर देखेगा. These are not functional movement. खाने के अलावा भी चबा के देखेगा वो. तो it's better to do out of occlusion. Got my point? This is one of the old case. You can see there are always some seepage of the sealer into the periapical tissue that might cause chemical periodontitis. Delaying permanent restoration a few weeks after observation. If possible, अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं उसी दिन क्राउन लगा दूँ. Coronal seal equally important, or I believe is more important than the apical seal. If you have done your root canal treatment, then it's better to do your obturation as soon as possible, or your filling, permanent filling, as soon as possible. Don't delay your permanent restoration के patient को symptoms हैं. If you do give a good coronal seal, the symptoms will subside. Okay? And if it is still going in failure, then preferred root and surgery or intentional implantation, but don't go for temporary filling for more than a 1 week. We don't do temporary filling. हम लोग नहीं करते temporary filling अब. खत्म हो गया concept. Okay? Antibiotics in routine cases, if you're using sodium hypochlorite, don't give antibiotics to the patients. If you're using antibiotics in the canals, sodium hypochlorite works as an antibiotic. If you're using it as an irrigant, fine, good enough. You don't need antibiotics for that. ठीक है? Sometimes this tooth is there. जब ये pipeline ही खराब हो गई है, we don't have that pipeline which is supplying the antibiotic, then there's no use of giving antibiotics to the patients. Temporary restoration with large cotton. Okay, either no cotton or minimum cotton which you are supposed to put on the chamber. Okay, this is wrong. If you are, अगर आप बहुत शौकीन है cotton रखने के, you can put a small cotton there. That's all. We don't put any cottons. If you have myth in your mind that that if you put cavity inside the tooth, it blocks the canal, it really happens. Very rarely. It will not block it. But don't put cotton. Cotton, if you put so much cotton, it compromises the coronal seal. Endodontics in vital tender tooth in subluxation concussion injury. It happens usually in 8-year, 7-year-old child with an immature tooth. Okay? Remember that when you have a trauma here, 7 साल का बच्चा बैठता नहीं है, घूमता रहता है हमेशा. What will happen is that when you have a trauma and it has an immature apex, and the blunder we do, usually general practitioner do, they remove the pulp. And if you remove the pulp, you remove the odontoblast, and the tooth will remain immature. So if a patient is suffering from a slight injury of dental trauma like concussion and subluxation injury, the tooth might be tender, there will be thickening of lamina dura, but this is temporary and it will heal itself. You're not supposed to remove the pulp in these cases. Okay? Leaving the tooth open. If a surgeon performs a general surgery, will it make that area remain open? No. He will suture it down as soon as possible. Okay, the same rule apply in dentistry. And most of the time, nothing is coming out. If you're putting a temporary filling or you leave the tooth open, most of the things nothing is going out. Our concept is something like coming out. There's nothing coming out. Most of the things are going in. If it's going, he's eating donuts, he's going to, you can say, Zenders, everything you will find in the tooth after a week. So never leave the tooth open. हर चीज़ आपको दांत के अंदर मिल जाएगी. बाहर कुछ नहीं आने वाला, सब अंदर ही जा रहा है. So it's always close the tooth down straight away, 2 to 3 days. Okay? Leaving the tooth open. If a patient is suffering from when you have done your root canal treatment. Okay. Temporary restoration with excessive time and depth. I initially said that don't delay your permanent restoration. If the patient, if you are doing a multiple visit root canal treatment and patient going for example, for a month outside the country, then what will you do is you can put the small cotton, then you have cavity, and then you could put GIC or composite, whatever you want to do before obturation. If the patient is not available for a month, but don't put cavity for a month, it will leaks again. Okay? अक्सर cavity निकला हुआ होता है जब patient आता है तो. Failure to do out of occlusion. Always do out of occlusion. Majority cases we are giving crown to the patient. Okay, so it's better. The indication of out of occlusion is the tooth is non-vital, the tooth is tender, and the patient was in pain initially. So most of the time patient इसी condition में हमारे साथ आता है. Then just do out of occlusion straight away. It's mandatory, almost mandatory. Waiting for bone to resorb for the resorption. अभी भी मेरे पास कल भी परसों भी बच्चे का मैसेज आया कि सर ये कब हील होगा तो मैं ऑब्जर्वेशन करूं. ये तो हील होगा 6 months बाद, 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year. When soft tissue symptoms subsides, sinus swelling, go for the obturation with permanent filling. It will take time, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months. You are not supposed to wait for that and put a crown straight away. If you wait for it and put a cavity over the tooth, it will never heal. If you are sure of your endodontics, आप कहते हैं मुझे एंडोडोंटिक्स बहुत अच्छी आती है और मुझे तो पेन किलर देने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है जस्ट आफ्टर एंडोडोंटिक्स, इट्स अ रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट्स. देयर आर 2 ways pain mechanism working in your body. One is central mechanism and other is peripheral mechanism. What you are handling with your endodontics is the peripheral mechanism. आपने अच्छी रूट कैनाल की, peripheral mechanism का पेन खत्म कर दिया, but the central mechanism will be deal with your analgesics. पेशेंट को पेन की ज़रूर देनी है. पहले भी वो पेन के साथ आया था, 2 दिन बाद तक वो पेन हो रहा है ना तो वो ही कहेगा डॉक्टर साहब रूट कैनाल सही नहीं हुई है, और मेरे जैसे के पास आएगा तो मैं उसको यही बोलूँगा यार 0.5 शॉर्ट ही है. ठीक है. So always give painkiller to the patient. Always after your endodontics. Use saline instead of sodium hypochlorite. Don't use saline. Saline sometimes act as a culture media for the bacteria. Always use easily available cheaper option in our country, that is sodium hypochlorite. And don't put sodium that is hydrogen peroxide in these dipping dish. If you want to put something, put hypochlorite. किसी किताब में लिखा हुआ कि हाइड्रोजन बॉक्स यू फाइंड दिस बबल्स इन दिस डिश तो आपको अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है. बबल तो गुब्बारे वाले के पास भी बहुत होते हैं, वो भी डाल दें क्या इसके अंदर. देयर इज नो कॉन्सेप्ट. क्राउन डाउन टेक्निक, ऑलवेज यूज क्राउन डाउन टेक्निक. अवॉइड स्टेप बैक टेक्निक्स. दिस हैज बीन प्रूविंग ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम that crown down techniques are far better than your step back technique. If you can't afford your rotary, you can have hand files available for crown down technique, but don't use step back techniques. It's obsolete now. Okay. Multiple visits versus single visit. Open heart surgery, क्या आप multiple visit करेंगे? You want to reopen it, you want to re-suture it, what will happen? There will be contamination and the patient will die. So what we'll do, we have 3 or 4 consultants for open heart surgery, but you do in the single visit. So if you talk about endodontics, always single visit, unless and until if the retreatment case or heavily infected canals. You know the anatomy, you know the coronal seal, you know the instrument setup, go for single visit. चाहे आधा घंटा लगे, 1 घंटा लगे, 1.5 घंटा लगे, single visit. Okay? Use 15 number file. We are finishing in 2 or 3 minutes. Use 15 number file as an initial file. No. Always use 10 number file or lesser file. 10 number file is good enough. Use 10 number file as your initial file after chamber opening. If you use 15 number file, it will block the canals and it will make your life very difficult for the root canal treatment. Okay? Don't use these needles. This is for ब्लड ड्रेनेज ड्रॉ करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, ठीक है. यू कैन यूज एंडोडोंटिक टिप्स, मिलती हैं, इजीली अवेलेबल, इज चीपर फॉर इरिगेशन. Assuming that the canals are closed, but if you work hard, you will find extra canals and you can actually locate these canals easily. मैं कर सकता हूँ, कोई भी कर सकता है, ठीक है. But few golden rules. If you find these golden rules, if you apply in any tooth, 99% you will able to find these curvatures easily. What? Most of the canal can be easily accessible with wet canal with sodium hypochlorite. EDTA, I use Meta EDTA. I'm not sold to Meta company, but it will not flow in your body temperature when you put it on your hand. ठीक है? Use 10 number file which is 21 millimeter length and K file. Locate largest canal first and obturate the difficult canal first. If you obturate the difficult canal first, last, what will happen? You are not able to find these canals. Okay, and you can use SX file, any system you want to use. But if you find these, if you apply these golden rules, in majority of the cases your root canal will be peanut for you. But the problem is that you are not able to find these canals. Why? Because in second year BDS we were wasting our time in searching the cusp of carabali of tooth of first molar, which is just not clinically applied anymore. किसी ने बाद में cusp of carabali देखा भी नहीं होगा. But we are wasting our time in putting these tooth on the graph paper and drawing and everything. But the important thing is that to bisect this, to make these slices of the teeth different, longitudinal, sagittal, different sections, to find these canals. If our anatomy improved, root canal anatomy improved in second year, your life will be easy later on. What I advise you, the most difficult thing in dentistry, I do clinical dentistry for last 20 years, is root canal. Although I am doing a specialist in root canal, but it's still this difficult. And the most difficult thing is the location of the canal. Why? Because we have inherently weakness in our anatomy. Old anatomy हमारी weak है. We don't know the anatomy of the internal of the tooth. Dissection, when we are in the first year, neck dissection, ye dissection, wo dissection, but when we come in second year, graphs, books, carving, wastage of time. Okay, no clinical implication, I'm sorry to say. Okay, so just in conclusion, always try to remove the pulp to the apical constriction, verify by apex locator and radiograph. Chamber opening and initial filing concept in irreversible vitals to reduce the pain. There is no concept. You have to remove the pulp. Medication, Kisofine and pulpal will not guarantee you. Best thing is to remove the pulp. Use 10 number file or 8 number file as the initial file. Do not give antibiotic to the patient in routine cases. Give adequate coronal seal. Do not do out of occlusion if possible. Give analgesic during and after endodontics. Do obturation after soft tissue symptoms and signs. Don't wait for the bone resorption to heal. Use sodium hypochlorite as your irrigant. Use a small cotton with large temporary restoration. Give permanent restoration as soon as possible after endodontics. Remember, tender tooth does not always mean that there is a periapical pathology. Avoid endodontics in subluxation and concussion injuries. Do crown down technique and avoid step back. Avoid leaving the tooth open during root canal treatment. Give proper depth of temporary restoration for a minimum time. Remember that? It was confusing. Now is the test. Which is the real one? So I hope now you know the concept of endodontics, which is the real one and which is the fake one. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'll love to answer it. Thank you.
Treating vital tooth is quite painful for the patient. Normally what happens, we initially open the canal, put pharmaclisol and then later we treat them. How to treat vital tooth without pain?
Sir, any tooth which is vital, which they can easily be operated in half an hour to 1 hour, okay, with any pathologies, it can easily be done. But the problem is that what I believe, you have been practicing for last 20-30 years, okay? But the problem is this, our exposure and our expertise are not there. I'm putting on myself as well. हमारा एक्सपोजर कभी भी इतना नहीं हुआ, ठीक है? अदरवाइज हाफ एन आवर टू 1 आवर में आराम से एंडो हो सकती है। जी जी हाँ, लोअर 6 और लोअर 7
treat vital tooth, like suppose if it immediate the pulp is vital, to treat vital tooth is quite, sometimes people say to put injection in the canal and to treat it is quite painful for the patient.
Sometimes the lower 6 and lower 7 are difficult to anesthetize. Why? Because they are hard tooth. Okay, the different techniques are available. You can give a gauge at mandible nerve block. You can give distal infiltration techniques. There are techniques available. Sometimes 1% we don't have an option available of you can say intraosseous injection. But majority of the cases, 99% of the cases, is the vital tooth which can be operated in single visit. But again, the exposure is there. ठीक है, मैं 20 साल से मैं नहीं कर रहा, हमारे जितने भी एंडोडोंटिस्ट हैं, ट्रेनीज हैं, आई हैव बीन सुपरवाइजर फॉर CPSP फॉर लास्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10 years, सब सिंगल विजिट ही करते हैं, ठीक है? समटाइम आई डू एग्री विद योर आंसर बिकॉज ऑफ द हॉट टूथ. It is called hot tooth when you are able to not to anesthetize. But if you go give a good mandibular nerve block, which is a Gauss-Gates mandibular block, again we don't know the anatomy. It's our problem because we don't establish our curriculum of dentistry in such a way, because it's 4-year programs. We focus on more on the general anatomy rather than the oral anatomy. Problem is that we have graduates, they don't know how to put block. The problem is there. I totally agree with your answer, but it can happen. You can give infiltration. We can give intraosseous injections, Gauss-Gates block injections. It will definitely work.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam.
Very nice lecture. Sir, I am Dr. Zarka from Qatar Hospital. Sir, just like molars, for example, first or second molar, we have multiple canals, and sometimes accidentally if any canal perforate, then what will the emergency treatment for save the tooth?
Okay. Thank you very much for the comments. Now we have a very cheaper, easily available MTA, which is made of Brazil. I'm talking about, since we are practicing in Karachi, we are a third world country, and we have to talk about the basic as well. Okay, I don't want to, my presentation was very basic. Similarly, now we have this MTA available, which is very cheaper now. So if you have perforation, what you do, give a good isolation and use MTA. It is easily available in the market. And if you can, if the patient is not very affording, you can use Brazilian MTA. Oh, it's not very, you can say state of the art, but your tooth will last inshallah 10 to 15 years. But put a crown over it. It's not always that perforation will lead to failure. It's not always. Okay.
Dr. Brar, Dr. Khurram. Dr. Brar, I just have one question. आपका क्या ओपिनियन है कि जब पेशेंट आपके पास आके एक सिंपल सवाल करता है, डॉक्टर साहब मैं रात भर सोया नहीं हूँ और मेरे शदीद दांत में दर्द है, विल यू रिकमेंड 1 visit root canal or multiple visit root canal? What is your opinion?
Thank you, Dr. Khurram. Dr. Khurram is basically a vice principal, Law University Dental College. Thank you for the question. नींद वैसे मुख्तलिफ वजूहात से नहीं आ सकती है, लेकिन आपने मेंशन कर दिया कि दांत की वजह से, तो I'll take your answer. Majority of the cases the patient is suffering from irreversible pulpitis. There are cardiac signs and symptoms of irreversible pulpitis: the rapid pain, spontaneous pain, night pain, relief by medication, and very intense. Okay, so most likely the patient is suffering from irreversible pulpitis. The reason is that when I give you the reason and I give you the answer, when the patient lie down for 2 or 3 hours, because of the hyperalgesia, the pain starts to shoot up. Okay, and अगर वो खड़ा हो जाएगा तो पेन कम हो जाएगा. The thing is that single visit root canal treatment is the answer. ठीक है, डोंट गो फॉर मल्टीपल विजिट. अगर करना भी बहुत शौक भी है अगर करने को, तो गिव अ गुड कोरोनल सील, अदरवाइज डोंट डू सिंगल विजिट. बात वही आता है कि बाहर कितने पेशेंट 3 पेशेंट आके बैठ गए तो हमें जल्दी करनी है, वो दिस इज़ आवर फॉल्ट. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट पेशेंट फॉल्ट बट सिंगल विजिट। एटलीस्ट डू पल्पेक्टमी। 5 मिनट्स तक हाइपो से वॉश करते हैं 15 नंबर फाइल के बाद। यूज 10-15 नंबर फाइल्स, 5 मिनट्स हाइपो से वॉश, फिनिश। Your pulp will be completely gone if you put the dental pulp inside the dipping dish with hypochlorite. It will be gone in within 2 or 3 minutes. That's all. So if you, it's not the mechanics which is removing the pulp; it's the chemical which is removing the pulp. Mechanics helps you to put the chemicals inside the canal.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. My question is when to crown and when not to crown after root canal treatment.
If the tooth is only accessibly open, अगर उससे सिर्फ एक्सेस से ओपन किया है, ठीक है, अगर इलेक्टिव एंडो कर रहे हैं, सेंट्रल इंसाइजर है, इलेक्टिव एंडो कर रहे हैं, तो आप क्राउन नहीं देंगे। अदरवाइज जो हमारी पॉपुलेशन में पेशेंट आता है जिसमें दांत बचता ही नहीं है, तो इन जनरली स्पीकिंग इन आवर पॉपुलेशन इफ यू आर डूइंग एंडोडोंटिक्स पुट अ क्राउन। वी आर स्टडिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कंट्री बुक एंड वी आर अप्लाइंग ऑन द थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज। So you have to think about it. You have to serve your community according to your condition. So the problem is that हम अच्छी किताबें पढ़ते हैं, first world country की apply third world country पे करें, so always put a crown straight away.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Dr. Usman. Sir, my question is that patient usually comes with grossly carious teeth most of the time, and either from the mesial side or the distal side the tooth is carious. So we say that at least 2/3 of enamel should be there to save the teeth. So what do you recommend that we should go from the center of the tooth first to locate the canal or clean the teeth as a whole?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। Ideally speaking, when you open a text, you are supposed to remove the carious part first and temporize it with a good material. Okay? But the thing is that when you apply this to your OPD or clinics, अगर हमने टूथ का स्ट्रक्चर पूरा निकाल दिया और हमने फिर रूट कैनाल के लिए भी एक्सेस ओपन कर दिया, तो और फिर हमने उस पर कैविट लगा के उसको बोला जाओ बादाम पिस्ते खाओ, तो अगले हफ्ते तोड़ के ले आएगा। What I recommend in our setup, in our OPDs, in general practice thing, leave the carious part, access it, do complete cleaning, shaping, ठीक है, और फाइनल रेस्टोरेशन से पहले केरीज निकाल के जहाँ भी केरीज है उसको परमानेंट रेस्टोरेशन कर दें। आवर सेटअप आइडियली इनिशियली निकालना है, लेकिन इतने बैक्टीरिया नहीं होते कि आपने 2 दिन के लिए छोड़ा और बैक्टीरिया ने जाके रूट कैनाल फेल कर दिया, ऐसा नहीं होता। इट टेक्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 month from top to bottom for the bacteria to reach there. Okay, so there are 2 answers. One is ideally first of all remove the carious lesion and give a permanent restoration straight away, and then use the new access. But in our setup, leave the carious lesion, do complete cleaning, shaping, and before obturation, at the time of obturation, remove caries and put a permanent restoration. ठीक है? मेरे या तो प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी थी या बिल्कुल ही बेकार थी, सभी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं।
सर, ऑन द क्लिनिकल साइड ये भी होता है कि जब परफोरेट होने लगता है तो देयर इज अ स्मेली बर्निंग पार्ट कि आपको फील होता है कि
तो उस हैंड पीस का पानी कम होगा। हाँ, तो इसलिए
इसका फैक्टर तो नहीं है कि
नहीं,
आपका परफोरेट होने लगता है?
नहीं, वो सिर्फ इससे कि जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा जोर लगाते हैं ना कि शायद यहाँ से कैनाल मिल जाए, तो पानी कम होने लगता है वहाँ पे। तो इट्स रूट कैनाल प्रोसीजर इज़ अ वेरी डेलिकेट प्रोसीजर। ओके, तो हम लोग थोड़ी जान ज़्यादा लगाते हैं तो वहाँ पानी कम आने लगता है हैंड पीस में, इसलिए बर्न होता है। अदरवाइज देयर इज नो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बर्निंग।
सो व्हाट इज द क्लिनिकल टिप कि आपका आप परफोरेट नहीं हो पाए और हाउ डीप यू कैन गो?
क्लिनिकल टिप, व्हेन यू हैव एक्सट्रैक्ट, यू आर लिविंग इन पाकिस्तान एंड यू हैव सो मेनी एक्सट्रैक्टेड टीथ यू आर अवेलेबल, जैसे आपको टाइम मिले दांत को सेक्शन करो और एनेटमी को रीड करो। एनेटमी जब तक रीड नहीं होगी, एनेटमी इज बेसिक थिंग। एनेटमी कैसे रीड करेंगे आप, वो मैंने आपको ऊपर बता दिया है। आई थिंक जो लास्ट वो थी स्लाइड, आई थिंक सेक्शन द टूथ, यू हैव टू सेक्शन द टूथ। चैम्बर गायब करो, रीड दी एनेटमी, रीड दी एनेटमी। जब तक एनेटमी रीड नहीं होगी, प्रॉब्लम इज द लोकेशन ऑफ द कैनाल। व्हाई? सेकेंड ईयर BDS एनेटमी नहीं पढ़ाई सही तरह, ठीक है। बाकी if you want my presentation, anyone, you can take my presentation, no issue. Okay, any more question? Thank you very much.